Seat height, 27.8 inches. Wheelbase, 58.9 inches. Rake, 30.2 degrees. Trail, 5.3 inches. Right lean angle, 27.1 degrees. Left lean angle, 27.1 degrees. Fuel capacity, 2.1 gallons. Curb weight, 564 pounds. Estimated EPA fuel consumption, 48 mpg. Wheelbase, 56.8 inches. Rake, 22.9 degrees. Trail, 3.6 inches. Seat height, 32.4 inches. Fuel capacity. Estimated fuel consumption, 45 mpg. Dry weight, 423 pounds. MV Agusta and Pirelli have collaborated for decades, but the relationship was never official. That changed this year when MV Agusta appointed Pirelli as its official tire supplier. To celebrate the partnership, the motorcycle manufacturer of Varese has designed a limited production Brutal 800 RR Pirelli. The bike will make its public debut at 2017 EICMA Milan Motorcycle November 9th to 12th. To give the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team a better starting mount for modifying for the Monster Energy AMA Supercross Series, Husqvarna has introduced the 2018 Husqvarna FC 450 Rockstar Edition less than a month before the series opener in Anaheim. Riding for the Rockstar Energy Husqvarna factory racing team are Jason Anderson, who finished 2017 in 4th place, and Dean Wilson, who had a pair of top 5 finishes. Type, single-cylinder 4-stroke. Displacement, 450 cubic centimeters. Bore X-stroke, 94x 63.4 millimeters. Compression ratio, 12.75:1. Valve train, SOHC, 4 valves. Fueling, 44 mm Keihin throttle body. Ignition, Keihin EMS. Starting, electric W/12.8 volt, 2 lithium-ion battery. Lubrication, pressurized with 2 pumps. Transmission, 5-speed. Clutch, Webb multi-disc DDS with Brembo hydraulics.